vPod Pro is our next generation smart vibration meter built around your need in machinery condition monitoring. With the innovatively designed sensor A52IR, vPod Pro can measure vibration and temperature at the same time. The high-strength magnetic base secures the sensor for accurate transmission of high-frequency signals from bearings or gears. After each measurement, vPod Pro displays 3 readings at the same time: vibration level, bearing condition, and temperature. The severity status for each measurement is shown with easy-to-read background colors. A damaged bearing will exhibit the periodic knocking signals in its vibration time waveform. vPod Pro implements the field-proven true peak detection, which can track early-stage bearing damage with high confidence. vPod Pro allows you to listen to the raw signal via a Bluetooth headset. Take and attach a picture to the stored data record. With optional measurement modules, vPod Pro can measure spectrum or collect data in the route mode. In the route mode, basic vibration, bearing condition, and temperature are measured, while in the background, the raw vibration signal is stored for further data analysis. When the measured data is imported into the IC computer program, this raw signal is automatically converted into a time waveform. 2 sets of power spectrum, envelope spectrum, and substrum to provide the most complete predictive maintenance monitoring parameters.